Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the Insta360 and I bought these new, I haven't put them on yet, but I'll show you the box. It's the new lens guards for my Insta360 X3. And if you probably can't tell on here, but these ones here have gotten so scratched up that my videos look horrible. So let's see if we can get these off and then I'll try putting on the new ones and see how they look. I don't know, maybe they don't come off very easy. Let's see. I might need something to pry it off with. Boy, these other ones were very well put on. Let me see, do I have scissors or something? I don't think I have anything. I have this little thing. Let's see if this will work to get it off. Does not. I'll be right back. I gotta go find a butter knife or something. Okay, so I pried off the old ones. This is what they look like here. I don't know if I can put this over here, but you can see all the scratches on it. And then this one here, let me put this down. You can see all the scratches, so it just doesn't get a very good clear picture. So let's see what these new ones look like. So let's see. I'm probably going to need to do a lot of cleaning and stuff, but we got the idea here. So this is the back one here. So let's see. I didn't clean my case, but I don't know if I need to get it to stick on. It's probably not going to stick very well, but this is what it looks like here. So I'm just going to peel off this thing and let's see. Look how clear that is compared to the other one. Super clear. Look at that. It's got a little bit of a glare, but I think they're all going to have a glare if the sun's shining on it. But that's looking through it, so that's pretty cool. So let's see. So this is the back one. So this is going to go right here. And there we go. So there, now it's on there. And look how clear that is. And I didn't even clean it. I probably should have cleaned it. I'm going to clean it on before I put it on. But you get the idea. This is how it works. And so this is the back one, and then it comes with the front one as well. So they're just slightly different sizes and shapes. And then you go into the settings on there and you have to make sure you have it set for lens guard so it'll do your whole full 360 stuff good. But this is pretty cool. So these are, I don't know what company these are, but I will put a link to it. If I have, or I will put it on the right product in Amazon description. That's what I mean. So you guys can get it there. And it looks like it comes with extra stickers, so you can redo it again, and it comes with the cleaning cost. So I'm just going to go and probably take that one off and clean it again before I go and put it back on. But super cool. Thumbs up from me. Link is in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.